Hi girls, this is a short video about how to draw box plots. First step is to write the scores out from smallest to largest. We're going to construct our 5-number summary by hand. Now we need to find the median, which is the halfway score, and we're going to do this by hand today, even though we can do this on our calculator normally. So there are 17 scores altogether. To find the median, we need the n plus 1 over 2 score. 17 plus 1 is 18, divided by 2 is 9. And our median is score number 6, score of 6. Now we find the median of the lower half of the scores, so scores of 2 to 6. So 8, n plus 1 is 9 over 2, gives us the 4.5 score, which in this case happens to be 4. So there's our Q1 equals to 4. And then again at the top quarter of scores, Q3 is going to be 7. Now sometimes you'll need to find the average of the two scores if they happen to be different. So our 5-number summary starts with the lowest score, then Q1, Q2, Q3, and our highest score. And this is what we draw our box plot from. So our lowest score, Q1, Q2, which is our median, Q3, and our highest score. So from this data, we have a lowest score of 2, Q1 of 4, Q2 of 6, Q3 of 7, and the highest score of 9. First step is to draw a number line from 1 to 9 in our case. And then we're going to put our 5-number summary on the number line in vertical lines, about 1 centimetre tall. So 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9. Now we make a box using the middle 3 lines. And we make what are called whiskers with the outer 2 numbers, the outer 2 lines. And that's our box and whisker plot. It shows us the spread of data, and we can work out our range, 9 minus 2, which is 7, and our interquartile range, 7 minus 4, which is 3. Now we can also find, in this case, the percentage of matches with 7 goals or less. So think back to what the interquartiles and the interquartile range and the quartiles mean. So from the median downwards is 50% of scores. From the quartile 3 to the median is 25% of scores. So from score 7 down, from Q3 down, we've got 75% of scores.